Hello and welcome. In this video, we would like to give some advice on good course design in Blackboard. Let us use the course BB 1001 Course Design in Blackboard as our example. We encourage academic staff to enroll in this course by clicking on the self-enrollment link on the topic page on Insia. You will get a student role in this course and experience the use of Blackboard from a student perspective. A good course design in Blackboard should not only consist of a collection of folders with links. A pedagogically well-designed course shows a strong coherence between learning objectives, academic content, learning activities, and assessment. In academic terms, this is called constructive alignment. Let us take a look at our course BB 1001. We have chosen to divide the subject into two major content sections, as you can see in the left menu. The first content block, Pedagogical Resources, contains all of the academic content. Here we have added modules on three main topics on teaching, learning, and assessment in higher education. These topics could constitute 3 consecutive units in a semester plan. When accessing Module 3, ICT for Student Learning, you will see more content items. In order to make the alignment between academic content and learning activities that relate specifically to the topic of ICT for student learning more explicit, we have chosen to group these in content folders in this module. You will find the same structure in Module 1, Course Design, and Module 2, Student-Centered Learning, which are the main topics for the other 2 modules. We have also created a collection of additional resources for students who want to go deeper into this topic. Students will also find all the elements of the 3 modules in the course content link in the left menu. However, there they will not appear as distinct pedagogically and professionally cohesive units. As you can see, we have also added a short description of the content of each of these elements. We recommend you to follow our example since it will make navigation much more transparent and easier for your students. Let us take a look at the element called Introduction: The Role of Technology in Today's Higher Education. Here you can see a content page that contains both text, video, images, and links. At the bottom of this page, you can find links to references that also represent the mandatory literature for this course. We could also have chosen to create a folder where text, video, images, and links are published as files. Most probably, you're familiar with this kind of content listings from the previous learning system you used. We believe, however, that creating a content page as we did represents a more pedagogical use of Blackboard. By using content pages, the various elements of your course content are presented in a coherent manner and provide the students with a visual presentation of the topic content. Furthermore, students will be able to click directly on the links, images, and videos and get access to the original sources. If you create a content page in advance of a lecture or a group session, your students could use this page to prepare. Publishing a content page afterwards will give students the opportunity to recapitulate and add their own notes to this resource. Pedagogical course design and e-learning systems is vast and a very complex area. In this video, we can only give a brief illustration of the opportunities you have to create a good course design in Blackboard. Our most important message is that Blackboard is not intended as a mere administrative tool with a collection of links. It is a learning system that should be used to contribute to students' learning by supporting a good constructive alignment between learning objectives, student-centered learning activities, and the assessment of students' achievements of the learning objectives.